Nominations for the Community Pavement Repair Fund are now open. That's the council scheme that shares £500,000 between the 14 villages in the borough. And the idea is that residents will nominate areas of pavement that they think need improvement. Now, this isn't a safety thing, this is to improve the appearance of the pavement and to resolve issues, particularly where it's close to community buildings, such as a school, for example. The sort of repairs that we're thinking about are areas like this, a small area of damaged pavement where cars have overrun it, where utility repairs here have affected the appearance of the pavement, and potentially it's not unsafe, but it's a situation where we can make it better, and that's what we're looking to do. To nominate a pavement, you can pick up a paper form from the libraries or from the Civic Centre, or alternatively just go online. What we'd like is people to get together in their street and nominate repairs like this, because the more people who make the same nomination, the better the likelihood of being able to repair it.